Hello, it's Lewis here from Bolts Compliance. So I'm here today in Wakefield at the Level Up event with Rolec. Really great networking opportunity, get to meet all the team, get to see all the new products that they've got out on the market and get to see all the new software that helps installers manage installations.
Well, I'm Kenny from 𝐔𝐿𝐭𝐫𝐚 Electrical Group. I've come to this event to learn a bit more about the chargers and installing and meet the people what fit EV as well as myself. I've been using the app tool as well to get leads, and I find it really easy now to convert jobs over, so that's a good way. And then just general knowledge of all the chargers and how we install them and the features they come with.
Hi, I'm Mark from TJ Hall Electrical. We do commercial and industrial installations here on the Rolec day today. Had a great day so far learning about this new product and even installing one, getting my hands dirty again for all those years. So yeah, great products, great day so far and looking forward to the next instalment.